if you're absent, just do the homework portion, okay? The last page, front and back. Okay, find the common factors of the first two terms. So this two terms right here, and the last two terms. So divide this by 5p squared. 2p minus 5 is when you divide. Oh, no, that's actually, this is all they want. They just want this common factor for this one. The common factor is just 2, so these 2 is the answer. Okay, so we factor this out. Divide both by 3n. That's 1 squared. Divide this by just 1. Those are your 2 answers. Factored expression, it didn't say to check, so you don't have to check. This is factored out by 7t, and this is factored out by 8. So you would get 2t, factor about the t squared right there, plus, that gets you 3. That's one answer. Make sure you get this answer here. Yes, you do. So that this answer is correct. And the other one is this answer there. 7t squared plus 8. Okay, so again, you factor this. Divide by y squared. Divide by just a 1. You divide, you get y minus 8. This you get, 13. Y minus 8. Notice I check here and go, no, I forgot the 13. And this here is just this there. Y squared plus 1. Okay? And you do that for 10, 12, now, this one, nope, I'm checking this one here. You can divide all by 3 first. Make sure you factor out first, divide all first, and then you put your answer like 3 times, like that. Okay, and then box it so you don't forget that 3 there. That leaves you 3c to the 3rd power minus 4c squared. That gets us 6c minus 8. Then you can do factor by grouping like that. Factor out c squared, factor out a 2. That gives you 3c minus 4. Yep, check and make sure you get that answer. You do, so that's right. And this answer here then is c squared plus 2. Can you divide anything here? Nope, nothing can divide in there. Because this is 3 term, you do the magical X. I need a calculator for this one. You need calculators for these. It gets big. Okay, so these ones I'm giving you are big ones so you can practice figuring out the numbers, because I can tell you this, on the test it will not give you small numbers. Oops, I notice it's 144. Oh, that's a perfect square. Let me check. Perfect squares. Oh, yep, it's a perfect square. So I got my answer, 4t plus 3. And it's a plus in the middle, so 4t plus 3. That's my answer because they're perfect squares. And here you can divide by 2. You get 12m squared. That's not a perfect square, so forget the perfect square thing. 4m minus 1. Okay, and this is going to be my answer, so I'm going to keep this like this. Okay, then because the leading coefficient is not 1, we need to do by grouping. negative 12 and 4, so 6 and 2, negative 2 like that. So 12m squared plus 6m minus 2m, and then minus that 1, and group it together. 6m, divide by negative 1, we get 2m plus 1. Same thing here, we'll get 2m plus 1. Then you get 6m minus 1. And that's your answer. Here you can't divide by anything, so you do 36 times negative 7. 36 times 7 is 252, a negative, and a negative 9. Should be pretty close. So I'll see if 12 can divide into 252. Nope. No, hold on. 252 divide by 12. 21. 12 and 21. Look, it works. I guess right. It makes 9. 21 minus 12 is 9. Negative. So I need the negative to be bigger, so I can do by grouping. Guess a number and then divide and check it to see if it works. I just happened to be lucky. 36v squared minus 21v plus 12v minus 7. Factor by grouping. 3 and 7, so 3 has to be at 1 here. I get 12v minus 7. Yep, this gets 12v minus 7. Oh, I forgot the v here. Then it's 3v plus 1. Okay, we can't divide by anything. Factor by grouping. 180 and negative 41. I'll start with 10. 10 times 18. One of them have to be negative. So the bigger one is, because, both of them have to be negative. 2 negative is a positive right here. So that's a negative 28. So I need to get bigger. Bigger means I'll try 9. 9 times 20. That's 29 only. I need more than that. Let's say 2. 2 times what? 90? That's way too much. Okay, 5. 5 can go in there. 5, negative 5, and 180 divided by 5, 36. Oh yeah, that gets you. Negative 5, negative 36. And then do by grouping. I left plenty of room here, so you do 20v squared minus 5v minus 36v plus 9 from right there. Group this together. Divide by 5v, divide by negative 9. You get 4 here, v minus 1, and the same thing there. And then it's 5v minus 9. Okay, so same thing here. These are big numbers. Divide by 7. Okay, that means my answer is that. And then you get, hold on, 7 and then an H. 7 and an H. Okay, so you get H squared that's left. You get negative 5H, and you get negative 6. Oh, look, you don't have to do by grouping. You just do magical X, negative 6, negative 5, negative 3, and negative 2. Nope, that'd be a positive. So negative 6 and a positive 1. So your answer is H minus 6 and H plus 1. What's your answer? Does it say to check? Nope. Okay, so 52, let's do this. Well, this You just, oh, square root, perfect square. R plus 3 and R plus 3. So R plus 3 squared. Divide by 2. You get T squared, so you get this answer as an answer. Notice I'm showing you even more shortcuts, right? T squared plus 6T plus 9, perfect square. Ooh, T plus 3, T plus 3. So your answer then is 2T plus 3 squared. Okay, and make sure you divide probably by 4 here first. Divide by 5 here first. Okay. Okay, and then this one, you guys know what to do, I hope. This one, x is -1, so -5 times -1 cubed. Y is 5. You know what? Because of the exponent, I'm going to simplify this first. I'm going to reduce that to -1 over 3. Kick this to the top, plus 7. So x to the 10th. Let's kick the -5. -5 is y to the 0 power. That's 1. That's no y left. Kick that to the top. Z to the 2nd power. So this is -1 times x, -1 to the 10th power. And z is 3, so times 3 to the 2nd power right here. All over 3. Oh, look at that. You do order of operation, exponent first. This to the 10th power is a +1. -1 times a +1 times, this is a 9. Divide that by 3. So this is a -1 times 9. Divide by 3 is a -3. Okay. I'm going to leave you to these because these are perfect squares, I think. Yep. This 5. Okay. N squared minus 9, square root. So that's n minus 3. And to get 0 in the middle, it has to be a +3. That's the answer there. And then you guys can do this. Still perfect square. And you guys can do the rest. Substitution. This was a mistake. Forgot to put this in here. Make sure -7x plus 12 equals 3x plus 2. Add 7x, add 7x. 12 equals 10x plus 2. Minus 2, minus 2. 10 equals to 10x. Divide by 10. X is 1. So the solution here is 1. And then I'm going to pick all positive. Y equals 3x plus 2. And x is 1. So y is 5. Okay, because, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. And here you do substitution. You take this, put it in there. So y is no longer there. So you get x plus -2x minus 26 equals to this -28. And you solve for x. And then you I'll probably take this one and solve for y. So you get your ordered pair. Okay, that's how you do this stuff. Make sure you distribute this here and that there. That's 2 to the 3rd, y to the 3rd, 8y cubed. Okay, make sure distribute first. Distribute, that's t to the 15th. That's x to the 3rd times x to the -14th. Add them together, you get x to the -11. Kick it to the bottom. 1 over x to the 11th power. Make sure you know how to do them. Okay?